A story for Spanish beginners.
Un día en la vida de Pablo.
Don't forget to subscribe to enhance your Spanish language skills.
Pablo se despierta muy temprano. A las 6 de la mañana, suena su reloj despertador. Abre sus ojos lentamente y se levanta de la cama. Prepara su desayuno en la cocina. Por lo general, Pablo come un desayuno saludable, como frutas y cereales. También le gusta beber un café caliente. Después del desayuno, Pablo va al baño. Se lava la cara, se cepilla los dientes y se ducha. Luego elige su ropa para el día. Pablo trabaja en una tienda de comestibles. Va al trabajo en bicicleta. Llega a su trabajo a las 8 y empieza a atender a los clientes. A las 12 del mediodía, Pablo come su almuerzo. Hoy come una ensalada de pollo y bebe agua. De repente, un hombre entra a la tienda y deja un paquete misterioso. Pablo está intrigado. Decide abrir el paquete y encuentra un mapa antiguo. Después de terminar su trabajo, Pablo decide seguir el mapa. Camina por la ciudad, buscando pistas. Finalmente, llega a un viejo edificio. Pablo ingresa al edificio y, siguiendo el mapa, encuentra un tesoro. Es una caja llena de libros antiguos. Pablo sonríe, ama los libros. Pablo regresa a casa con su nuevo tesoro. Se siente feliz y emocionado. No puede esperar para leer los libros. Finalmente, Pablo se prepara para la cama. Repasa su emocionante día y se duerme con una sonrisa en su rostro. Mañana será otro día lleno de aventuras.
Bien hecho.
Stay tuned as we are about to dive into the keywords from the story. You won't want to miss this.
Despierta.
Wake up.
Desayuno.
Breakfast.
Cocina.
Kitchen.
Trabaja.
Work.
Supermercado.
Supermarket.
Bicicleta.
Bicycle.
Almuerzo.
Lunch.
Paquete misterioso.
Mysterious package.
Mapa antigua.
Old map.
Trabajo.
Job.
Tesoro.
Treasure.
Libros antiguos.
Old books.
Aventuras.
Adventures.
Emocionante.
Exciting.
Now the story in English.
Pablo wakes up very early. At 6 in the morning, his alarm clock rings. He slowly opens his eyes and gets up from bed. He prepares his breakfast in the kitchen. Pablo usually eats a healthy breakfast, like fruits and cereals. He also likes to drink a hot coffee. After breakfast, Pablo goes to the bathroom. He washes his face, brushes his teeth and takes a shower. Then he chooses his clothes for the day. Pablo works in a supermarket. He bikes to work. He arrives at his work at 8 o'clock and starts serving customers. At noon, Pablo eats his lunch. Today he eats a chicken salad and drinks water. Suddenly, a man walks into the store and leaves a mysterious package. Pablo is intrigued. He decides to open the package and finds an old map. After finishing his work, Pablo decides to follow the map. He walks around the city, looking for clues. Finally, he arrives at an old building. Pablo enters the building and, following the map, finds a treasure. It is a box full of old books. Pablo smiles, he loves books. Pablo returns home with his new treasure. He feels happy and excited. He can't wait to read the books. Finally, Pablo prepares for bed. He reviews his exciting day and goes to sleep with a smile on his face. Tomorrow will be another day full of adventures.
As we wrap up this exciting learning session, a big thank you for joining us at LinguaStories. If you enjoyed this content and want to learn Spanish, feel free to subscribe and turn on the notifications to stay tuned for all our fascinating language adventures. Until the next lesson.
Gracias y hasta la próxima vez.